Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you are going to learn or check how whether slow motion video option is available or not in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. Suppose if you are thinking that you are going to take you would like to take a slow motion video from your phone Samsung Galaxy A03. Yes, first of all, you would search for videos slow motion video settings. Okay, so whether slow motion video settings is available or not, we will check it out here. Just go to the camera and here go to video. So this is not obviously slow motion video, this is normal recording. And if you would like to go for slow motion video, you should go to more button and see if there is any slow motion option. SLO MO will be printed here, but there is no such option in your phone because of the low budget phone. Samsung did not give slow motion option for this device. Okay, so here only pro, panorama, food, macro, hyper lapse are available. No slow motion video option is available here. Okay, so slow motion video recording is not possible with your phone. Okay, suppose if you see some video on YouTube that slow motion video recording in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s means that is maybe fake video or artificial video. Okay, so here I have lively checked that whether slow motion video available or not in your phone. So conclusion is it is not available. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye bye.